Hello friends, have a nice day. Myself Prakash sir of Neit computer tutorial platform. Congratulate you to our YouTube video. ए वीडियो रे केते गुडे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मु डिस्कशन करिया पे जाउची. There are lots of important questions which will be helpful for IT students, for all interviewers and computer students. You have to check all these questions up to the end of this video and get sufficient information about IT sectors. Now let us check one by one. Question number 375. What is the full form of a GPRS? General Packet Radio Service. There is the need of a transmission of IP packets. Internet protocol packets must be required. So GPRS network allows mobile network to transmit IP packets to the internet. Then question number 376 is, what is the full form of IDM? Internet Download Manager. What is it? What is the meaning of IDM? We are downloading files from internet server. Normally we are downloading files from internet server. IDM is a tool that manages and schedule the downloading files on internet. This is a system, this is a tool that manages the scheduling system of downloading the files. The next point is, what is the full form of a UHF? Ultra high frequency. If we think about the frequency of a communication, UHF is used for television broadcasting, cell phones and satellite communications. Ultra high frequency for data transmission. Next point is, what is the full form of NTFS? New Technology File System. NTFS is a process of OS that store, organize and find files on hard disk. What is the full form of IMEI? This is a very important question. You are all using mobiles. Each and every mobile is having IMEI. International Mobile Equipment Identity. Every mobile has IMEI for identification. Jodi mobile ko ame identify kariya katha kahiba ba chinta kariba, then there must be the need of IMEI. This IMEI is a 15-digit unique number used to track smartphones. It is essential for theft case. विशेष करी चोरी केस रे एटा हमको सहायता करता है. तको हमें कोन कोंदी ना IMEI नंबर बोली कहिथांती, that is available with the device, electronic device. What is the full form of WMP? Windows Media Player. We are using media player, we are using video applications, we have to play video, so that is why there is the need of a media player. So WMP means Windows Media Player used for running video files through computer, by computer, laptop or desktop. Window Media Player. विशेष करी एटा वीडियो एप्लिकेशन आमे ताको यूज करूछंती, वीडियो प्ले करिया पे यूज करूछंती. The next point is, what is the full form of a PPP? Triple P. The correct answer is point to point protocol. You know, the protocol is a very important thing for internet data transmission. Whenever we transmit data from one user to another user through internet, then we have to think about protocol. So this PPP is a fast protocol required for data transmission, data communication on network. So PPP is to communicate over the telephone network or internet. So this is called as a point to point protocol. The next point is, what is the full form of a POP? This is also another protocol called as a post office protocol. Post office protocol, POP. This protocol is to retrieve or access email from the mail server. Whenever the file is accessed from the mail server or the file is retrieved from the mail server, that time we think about POP protocol, the post office protocol. What is the full form of a DIR? Directory Information Report. This is a command application command. We have to apply this command at command prompt. Directory Information Report, this is the full form of a DIR. This command is a CUI based OS command. CUI means command user interface based OS command, and it is giving information of files, subdirectories available in our computer, size of the files, disk space used, and free memory, free space of the disk. Each and total number of files also we can get by DIR command. So that is why Directory Information Report is the full form of a DIR, CUI based operating system command. What is the full form of a LISP? LISP, list processing. That is called as LISP, list processing. What is that? It is a programming language designed for easy manipulation of a data string. Data string को easily manipulate करने पाई आमे जो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज टा यूज करंती ताको आमे LISP बा लिस्ट प्रोसेसिंग बोली कहि थांती. LISP बा लिस्ट प्रोसेसिंग. दिस इज ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ STD? बहुत दिन तले साधारणतः लोक माने कॉल करिया पाई STD को जाउथिले, ISD कॉल करूथिले, PCO कॉल करूथिले. सो the full form of STD is subscriber trunk dialing. This STD is used to make long distance calls without operator assistance. कौन सी ऑपरेटर असिस्टेंस बिना लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस को कॉल करिया पहले हमको STD बा सब्सक्राइबर ट्रंक डायलिंग सिस्टम टा फॉलो करिया को पड़िबो. राइट? व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ISD? Like STD, another question is ISD, international subscriber dialing. International means you can imagine outside of the country you can call from one country to another country. We have to talk to the people of other countries. So these calls are those made between different countries. So that is called international subscriber dialing, or that is called as ISD. What is the full form of a PCO? This is also related term to ISD. PCO, public call office. STD, ISD, PCO is used in telephone systems. So PCO is a phone that is installed for communication in various areas in rural and urban of India. Inside our country, we have to call from one area to another area telephonic system. So that is called as a PCO, public call office. What is the full form of a WML? Wireless markup language. Different languages are there that I will discuss in my video. This is the point of a WML, wireless markup language. What is this? This language controls the exchange of data between mobile phone and web server. This is the media between mobile phone and a web server for data communication, data exchange. So this is called as wireless markup language, WML. What is the full form of a PNG? Sometimes we say you just send me data in PNG form, in JPG form, like that. Portable network graphics, PNG, portable network graphics. It is a file format that display high quality digital image. If we want to display the high quality digital image, then we have to think about a PNG, portable network graphics system. What is the full form of a BMP? Bit mapped picture. Whenever we create a file in Paintbrush editor, Microsoft Paintbrush editor, then that time whatever picture we create and we save, that time this file is called as BMP file, bit mapped picture file. So that is why whatever file name we are giving, its extension name becomes a .bmp because it is called as a bit mapped picture file. So this file is generated using Paintbrush editor. What is the full form of AVI? Audio video interlink. Normally each and everyone we are using audio and video. AVI files can contain both audio and video data in a file container. So that is why it is called as audio and video interlink. What is the full form of a GIF? Graphics interchangeable format. GIF files allow images or frames to be combined, creating basic animations. That is called as a graphic interchangeable format. What is the full form of a JPEG? Joint Photographic Exports Group. It can store a lot of data. Especially it is used for picture application. Your photograph, your picture application. Whenever we are creating, scanning any photograph, then that should be, or signature, that should be in JPG format. Joint Photographic Exports Group. What is the full form of a CMD? Command prompt. Previously I told you about dir command. This is the command prompt OS, command user application, command user interface command. That is a dir. So like that also CMD called command prompt. Whenever we use MS-DOS Microsoft disk operating system, that time we get a command prompt C drive, /Windows, /System32, like that. So this is called command prompt, where we have to type command and press enter key to get the correct result. So that is called as command prompt, CMD. What is the full form of SSD? Solid state drive. What is that? This is the secondary data storage device of a computer where we store data permanently for future use, just like a hard disk drive, HDD. SSD is permanent, faster, smaller, more durable and consume less energy. So that is why nowadays SSD is mostly used by the computer operator instead. What is the full form of a LISP? Local Identifier Separation Protocol, LISP. LISP supports the separation of a IP address in networking system. गोटे networking system रे IP address को separation करिबारे LISP हमको support करी थाए. Local Identifier Separation Protocol. This protocol can separate the address of a internet in a networking system. What is the full form of a GPS? Each and every person they are using GPS in their mobile application. Global Positioning System. Where you are and what you are doing, everything information can be considered, can be confirmed by GPS. It is a network of satellites and receiving devices that determines the location of something on Earth. Earth opare ba land opare तार लोकेशन ऊपर इनफॉरमेशन दबो जदी ताले आमे जीपीएस सहायरे आमे तार इनफॉरमेशन आनी परिबा वेयर एवर यू आर. दैट इज द इनफॉरमेशन अबाउट द इनफॉरमेशन ऑन द अर्थ. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ईडब्ल्यूएस? समटाइम्स वी थिंक अबाउट रेसिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट, इनकम सर्टिफिकेट, ओबीसी सर्टिफिकेट, अदर बैकवर्ड कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट and SCBC certificate. Like also we are also in search of a EWS, economically weaker section certificate. ताको हमें normally EWS बोली कहते हैं. The students those who are belongs to SCBC, they have to apply for a EWS for central government facilitation. If they will try to get the facility for central government and they do not belong to OBC, they belongs to SCBC, they are valid for only state government. So they have to apply for EWS, that is called economically weaker section group. It is a section of a society that belongs to unreserved category of India. That is not under the category of India, reserved category with no. So that is why we have to use EWS, economically weaker sections. What is the full form of internet? Interconnected network. That is the normal use of a user, computer user, mobile user, internet application. What is the full form of a Google? Now you see Google Chrome is a browser, Mozilla Firefox is a browser. Like that, so many different types of browser is there. So Google is a search engine, very important search engine. So what is the full form of that Google? Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. This is to search information of world, including web pages, image, video, and many more things.